In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Bitcoin on Cash App to another wallet so you can move your crypto safely and quickly. This is especially useful if you want to store your Bitcoin in a separate wallet or send it to someone else. First, open Cash App and go to the home screen. From here, tap on Bitcoin. If you haven't bought any yet, you can check out other tutorials on my channel to learn how to buy and sell Bitcoin. I already have some Bitcoin in my account, so I'll show you how to send it. Next, scroll down and tap Deposit Bitcoin. Each Bitcoin wallet has a unique address. Copy the address of the wallet you want to send your Bitcoin to. Once you have the address ready, scroll back up and tap the Send arrow on the right-hand side. Then tap Send Bitcoin. You'll see a toggle in the middle that lets you choose between Bitcoin or dollar value. I like to send in Bitcoin value, so I'll select that and enter the amount I want to send, or you can send your full balance. After that, tap Send at the bottom of the screen. Paste the Bitcoin address you copied earlier and tap on it again to confirm, then tap Next. Now you'll see your order details. You can choose a rush fee, which is faster but costs a little, or standard, which is free but takes longer. There's a minimum amount required for standard transactions. I'll go with standard to avoid extra fees, then tap Next. Check all the details: which wallet you're sending to, the amount, and estimated arrival time. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm and Send. You'll need to verify with Face ID or your security method. Once that's done, your Bitcoin is on its way. Now all that's left is to wait for the network confirmation. Once the transaction is complete, you'll get a notification, and your Bitcoin will appear in the destination wallet. It's a simple, smooth process and keeps your crypto secure while giving you full control over transfers. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.